Today's topic is all about how to do a 7-minute makeup using 7 products. Today's topic is very close to my heart because I'm a working mom and I usually don't have a lot of time, especially in the morning. I don't have time to get ready.
I don't know how you guys do it actually.
We are going to show you how you can wear your makeup in 7 minutes using only 7 products.
So if you've watched our top 7 makeup must-haves, those are exactly the same products that we're gonna use today.
Yeah, so you're gonna realize that it is really a must-have. I've already prepared my skin.
Yeah, so skincare is done.
Yeah, skincare routine is done, skin is prepped, and I also laid out the products that I'm gonna use.
So that's gonna be quicker.
Yes, it's gonna be quicker. It's gonna save you much more time if you already know
where your products
are, so you don't have to keep on opening your drawers and know what you're gonna use exactly. First thing you need to do, of course, is to apply your foundation.
What about now, sis? Because now we're living in this pandemic where we have to wear a mask all the time.
You know, I've tried everything. I really tried, but unfortunately, ladies, I have not found the answer to that yet. No matter what I put on my skin,
if you put foundation, it's gonna transfer.
Yeah, if you have makeup on, it's really bound to transfer to your mask. But what I do is like I wear very minimal and very light makeup. So light foundation is really the best way to go, especially if you don't want it to make your mask dirty.
Yeah, like I wear tinted moisturizer, so it's not very heavy on the face.
Yeah, I'm kind of in between tinted moisturizer and CC cream, but even my CC cream still transfers to my mask.
So if you don't want any transfer, don't put foundation.
Yeah, true. Just keep the foundation altogether. Yeah, but it is still a must-have, of course.
Yeah,
but you don't have to necessarily wear it every day.
Yeah, that leads us to the second one, right?
Yes. So the second one is concealer. Okay.
So if you don't want to wear foundation, you can wear concealer.
Definitely. I can't live without concealer.
Yeah, me too, actually. Yeah. Like, I have dark circles. I have to hide them so that my eyes parang lagi pa rin fresh.
Yes, and even actually when you're wearing a mask, I still put concealer because it's the only way that I can look awake and fresh and not look tired. You know? So I really think concealer is an important.
Is there a right concealer to use? Anong tip?
Well,
when it comes to
again,
concealer?
because with the mask and everything, the best type of concealer to use is something more liquid, something very lightweight, and something that, just something very sheer and light.
Yeah. Okay, and then the next one is powder. So we did say 7 products, right?
7
but
products.
Actually it can be less. Like for me, I don't put powder anymore. One is because I have dry skin. So when I put powder, probably dito lang sa forehead or my T-zone. Ikaw?
I actually don't put powder anymore a lot these days also. But if you do have oily skin, then you must have a powder to at least tap on your forehead to reduce the shine.
So the next one is blush.
I love blush.
You love blush. I love blush too. Sometimes kapag wala akong makeup, parang blush lang yung nagpapabuhay ng face
Creamy
ko.
blush.
Creamy blush
right now is life.
We have to have cream blush.
What I like about creamy blushers is even when you're not wearing any complexion makeup, if you use a creamy blusher, it's not gonna look like you're wearing makeup. Because cream textures really make you look natural. So mukha lang siyang natural flush. Kasi pag
rosy
cheeks, parang nag-exercise ka lang. Because if you use a powder, and wala kang base or wala kang foundation, it's actually not gonna blend and it's gonna show na may powder ka sa cheeks. So kung super light yung makeup natin right now, super light foundation, super light concealer, creamy blushers really are the way to go.
So gusto mo rin ng blusher?
I love it. I always get a compliment, by the way, guys, in the office when I'm wearing a mask and blusher. They always say, "Why do you look so fresh? Why?
Why daw?
Why daw?" It's because of the blusher. Kasi nga, I put the blusher a little bit higher just to show through
para hindi rin
the
siya
mask.
mag-transfer sa mask.
So medyo
kasi
dito
maka-cover
siya.
naman yung
so,
mask.
yung mask here. So medyo here. Yeah. And then,
so I tend to put
makes you
some
look fresh
on my nose also. Para nga yung natural look.
So now we're gonna move on to our eyes. So far, it's been easy, I think. Very fast lang. So for the eyes, we have to start with the eyebrows, of course. And I really think the easiest way for you to groom your eyebrows is to use an eyebrow pencil. It's really easy. Sis, like you take a pencil, you fill in the gaps lang sa eyebrows, and then just
that's it.
Groom it with a spoolie, a brush, and then it's done. Okay, but it is an important step because the eyebrows, we say, frames the face.
Eyebrows is life.
Yeah, so
kilay is life.
Super fast pencil lang, and then it's
Ako actually, I'm used with pomade. Pero I got used to it na kasi. Pero if you're not used to that, then pencil is the best.
So I guess it's all about practice also. You know, once you've mastered using pencil, you can move on to pomades or to powders. Then
powder
and it's gonna be faster later on.
Yeah.
Of course, we can't forget the lips. And the fastest lip product to use is lip stain.
Or lip tints.
Yes, because you don't have to worry about getting the perfect shape.
Ganun lang.
Ganun lang siya.
Tap.
You just tap it, yeah.
Sometimes nga lip stain ko parang pang chicks na rin.
Yes, too. Yeah, actually, there's no rules in makeup. You can use it wherever.
Yeah.
And then after that, of course, you have the mascara. So I remember in our video before, we were kind of deciding, oh gosh, do we put eyeliner or mascara? So again, if you have short lashes, I think just a quick mascara will really kind of help also.
Or mascara that
doesn't smudge.
Yeah,
that's the
that's
thing.
key. Because if you're working 8 hours, you don't want to look like at the end of the day you look like a panda. No? Kasi ako, I don't wear mascara kasi yung lashes ko parang ganun siya. Nagbunababa niya lahat ng mascara sa face ko.
Because I think for our, being Filipinos, our general eye shape, I would say, is like this. And
Chinita ba to or what?
I would say monolid or
monolid.
shallow smooth eyes. And most of our lashes are always pointing down. I'm not saying all, but a lot of us, our lashes are going down. So that's why when we wear a lot of mascara, it transfers under here, So just make sure also you curl your lashes, then you put a little bit of mascara. Just look for a mascara that doesn't smudge. Yeah, but for you, what do you use instead of mascara?
I get my lash extended. So eyelash extensions.
Sometimes,
but not like all the time. Kasi nga, you have to rest your lashes then. Okay. So there you go. That's how you wear makeup in 7 minutes.
Our food is here.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you found this video useful. And if you have any questions or suggestions on what video you want to see next, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks.